Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm here in my Let's Talk About It with Jaime t-shirt for a reason. I have a happy meal. I won a doll on Jaime's channel. I have to tell you a story. This is not the first happy meal I have gotten from Jaime. Thank you very much, Jaime. And part of a happy meal was this t-shirt. But I have to tell you what happened when Jaime contacted me. She texted me and asked for my address to send this to me. I had just gone, I was just sat down. I was working on this doll. This is Ricky, and I'll show you more about him in a minute. And I had just finished his face up with the eyebrows, all of the work, all of the painting, all of the everything, the chalk. I was so pleased with it. I never say that when I first finish something because I see every mistake. I was so pleased. I took he and I think it was 3 other heads on my little cardboard. I have a piece of cardboard that I lay them out and spray on so I can get them from every angle. And it was a windy day, but I've done it on windy days before. It wasn't real windy, it was breezy. So Darren was opening the door for me because it's, the piece of cardboard is probably like this, and I had the faces in the can, and my hand had the glove on, and I had my face mask and all of that. And Darren was holding the door. So he was standing there and he saw it, and what happened was, I had just given it that last spray, that last super coat spray, and I went to lift it, and the wind caught those faces. It didn't just lift them a little bit. It like a skipping rock on a pond. They were picking up dirt and debris. Oh, so I came in, and of course, we took as much off as we could because now it's smearing, and I knew I was going to have to re-sand, so I'm feeling down, and I thought, oh my God, what if I have to redo his whole face? Anyway, I was pouting, and I went and sat down on the recliner feeling sorry for myself, and Jaime texted and said, hey, can I get your address? I want to get that doll you won off to you. And I said, and I gave it to her, I said, do you have a minute? And she said, of course I have a minute. That's what true friends are. She sat and talked to me for, I'll bet we chatted a half hour. I told her what happened. She's like feeling sorry for me. And then she had me laughing about other things. I felt so much better after. It's not that Darren didn't make me feel better. It's just, you want that extra little cyber hug. So I was in this drawing for this doll that Jaime did on her channel. Let's talk about it with Jaime. If you don't watch Jaime's channel, you are missing out. Jaime does all sorts of things. Her photo shoots and setups at Christmas this year with her Blythe dolls especially. There were some other dolls mixed in. And her circus are my favorite. And I had to admit to her, she came up equal with that Christmas video. Anyway, she had a, Vlogmas. And she had this doll, which I will open later. She had this doll as a prize. And if you went to her videos, you got a point. If you left a comment, you got a point. If you went to her lives, you got points. Anyway, and then you got, for each point, you got your name on a slip, and then she drew that out of a fishbowl. And the more, of course, times you went, the more chances you had to win. I won. I am absolutely elated. And let's see what this is. A card. We will do an opening of this girl. Oh, cute card. I'm going to show you just in a minute. Oh, Jaime has new cards. Dear Marna, thank you for being not only a friend, but an amazing subscriber, supporter of my channel. This doll was well worked for. Love you always, Jaime. Let's talk about it. Look at Jaime's new card. I collect cards and those postcards with Blythe dolls on it. Isn't that cute? And here she is on the back, and another couple of her Blythe dolls. Yeah, scan me. I think that pulls her right up. Hold it still enough. Maybe they can scan their, take her right to the channel or whatever we've got there. Let me show you this card. How cute is that? Ducks in a row. Love it. Very cute. All right, there's something else here. Let's see what we got. Oh, I bet I know what this is. She didn't wrap it so that I could use it for patterns. Thank you, Jaime. That was very thoughtful. I really appreciate it. So let me show you Ricky. And thank you, Jaime. I couldn't wait. I had to open it. This is really a cute size. What would you say that is, Darren? 8 inches? 6,
yeah,
7 inches? 8?
7 to 8, yeah.
And gosh, she's really cute. She has pierced ears and surprises and a stand. Articulation in the arms. I don't think the knees have it, but wow, is that cute. I like these little setups where the box has a little room to it or a place to take pictures and stuff. You know, we might not as adults appreciate that like we should, but you know, for a kid, what a fun day. I used to cut on the front of my boxes when I got dolls, I used to cut this out and then I'd have a paper doll and the plastic doll. All right, let me show you Ricky real fast. I know this is getting long, but I had to tell my story about what a good friend Jaime is. This is Ricky. I did not put shoes on him purposely. I think he looks a little Huckleberry Finnish. His face up did not have to be redone. I was so happy about that. I did sand. Luckily, none of the debris. I mean, it was sticks and leaves and mud, or not mud, dirt, but everywhere. So I am really pleased with how he turned out. I gave him these beads with an astronaut, and I got to tell you what, that's how I met Jaime. She had an astronaut Blythe bag, and that was the first video I watched of Jaime's. So I gave him a little astronaut touch. Because she was so kind. I put 3 eyes in him. Green, all of them. I really like this red hair. And those are the original eyes that the boys come with. The boy bodies and faces are different. They are on a Tommy head, and it's a little bit different than the other Alley Blythes. The body is, even the feet, we thought the feet were the same. They are a little different. They're a little wider, more of a boy foot. Their thighs are bigger, their calves are bigger, and of course, they're wider in the middle. They are a boy. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Jaime, I cannot thank you enough, and I really appreciate your friendship. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.